I want to share today how to get really good proportions in your portraits. And the way I do that is two specific ways I think will be very helpful to you. One is I use a grid. So I grid my original photograph, and then I grid my substrate, either the canvas or the board that I'm painting on, or the paper that I'm drawing on. And that allows me to have a 1-to-1 ratio, and I get very accurate proportion with that. The other thing I use are calipers. These are called Prospect, that's the brand name. There's other manufacturers that make similar tools. It's kind of like scissors, only there's no blade, and it's a great tool for measurement. So if I want to measure my photograph, let's say I want to check the distance from the edge of the eye to the part of the nose in this area, then I can move over and double check that here. And actually, yeah, I'm not in the right place, but that should be correct right there. If I measure, and let's say my photograph is actually at this dark shadow and I happen to have missed that little part that's in a highlight, and then I can come over here and see that my portrait is not accurate, or if it's too broad, if it's too narrow, then I can come back and make an adjustment, and then I can continue to make correction. It's a great tool. They're not very expensive. They're about $15. They can be purchased through any of the major art houses online. Of course, you'll have a little shipping and taxes, I think, on top of that. But next to your paint brushes and a canvas, this is one of the best investments you can make. I hope you'll get some and try them.